DME Law School conducted its monthly lecture series, V.R. Krishnaiyer Memorial Lecture, with Ms. Geeta Luthra. Ms. Geeta Luthra is a famous advocate who is not only a legal crusader but a trailblazer in terms of the cases she has fought and her identity as a female advocate. Let's see the highlights and find out why Indian Express called her Guts with Wits.
That media is the fourth pillar of a democracy. So you have the executive, you have the legislature, you have the judiciary, and the fourth pillar is media. But over the years, we are seeing that media has been playing a somewhat negative role.
We all have been facing mental health issues since pandemic. Well, many of us even before that, but as we talked in the last few episodes, the pandemic brought it into perspective. The DME Society for Mental Health Miraki conducted yet another event engaging with the issue. Let's see the highlights and what the guest had to say.
If you ask the students, they would say for last 3 years, okay sir, when I was in 10th, I started studying for board, and at that time I was very enthusiastic. I would sleep for only 4 hours. In 12th, it reduced to 3. After college, sir, come on, there are so many responsibilities. I joined this club, I joined this, and we have to do so much of work. So 22 hours a day, I think I have to work. Without that, I can't achieve something.
We are all fascinated by the toppers. We all have those people in our class, or some of us are them, who top the state, the country, the board. DME hosted these very people in a unique event where you get to know how do the toppers prepare and what do they think. Let's hear their thoughts.
That purely because of my interest. You also be to take up your interest and do whatever you like. It will surely help you in yielding good results.
The past few weeks saw DME Media School celebrating two of India's beloved sons who have continued to inspire generations of Indians across the globe. DME Media School celebrated Vivekanand Jayanti, the National Youth Day, and Bose Jayanti. Two men. The one, a wandering monk who instilled values in the young men and women of India, who has continued to lead the way for young men and women across the world, not just India. The other, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, a stalwart of Indian freedom movement and one of the most important freedom fighters of our country. Let's see how DME's first year students took the initiative and celebrated these two legends.
Really a matter of pride that we are observing, we are celebrating the birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose.
देश की आज़ादी में अनगिनत लोगों के नाम हम ले सकते हैं, जिनमें सुभाष चंद्र बोस हैं।
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा। यह देश अमर था, अमर है और अमर रहेगा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
कहते थे कि इश्क का नगमा जुनू के साज पे गाते हैं हम, अपने गम की आग से पत्थर को पिघलाते हैं हम। जाग उठते हैं तो सूली पर भी नींद आती नहीं, और वक्त आ जाए तो अंगारों पे सो जाते हैं।
It's a great day today. We are talking about a great personality, Swami Vivekanand.
He went to address the World Religion Conference, and each member of the gathering stood up to extend a standing ovation.
स्वामी विवेकानंद जी के विचारों के कारण ही उन्हें युवाओं का प्रेरणा स्रोत माना गया है। यही कारण है कि स्वामी विवेकानंद जयंती को हम राष्ट्रीय युवा दिवस के नाम से भी मनाते हैं।
युवाओं को जिन्होंने सही राह दिखाई, निस्वार्थता का जिन्होंने पाठ पढ़ाया, वह महान शख्सियत ने आज के दिन इस धरती पर जन्म लिया।
विवेकानंद की जयंती मनाना ही अपने आप में एक मोटिवेशनल चीज है। इज द पीरियड ऑफ शेयरिंग। अब जो सबसे दो चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, एक तो कलेक्टिव एफर्ट, सबको मिलकर काम करना है, और दूसरा सबको आपस में शेयर करना है हर एक चीज। शेयर का मतलब हुआ मेरे पास जो है मैं तुम्हें दूंगा, तुम्हारे पास है तुम अपने फ्रेंड को दोगे, सब एक दूसरे को सबसे अपनी जो नॉलेज है वो सब आपस में शेयर करो। दैट्स द ओनली वे टू गेट नॉलेजेबल, टू बी एजुकेटेड इन टुडेज टाइम।